parse double of, here I am passing single quote 10. Is it converted? Yes. Why? 10 in the range of double number, na? So no compile time error, no runtime error. Now I am writing 10.5. Is it converted? Yes. No compile time error, no runtime error. Now I am writing A. Converted? No. We will get exception. So if you pass number, if you pass string object other than the existing, other than this wrapper class type primitive value range, you will get exception. Now, very danger point. Boolean BO1 equals to Boolean dot parse Boolean of, I should pass here double quotes true. True will be converted as a true, will come as a true. Right? And now I am passing BO2 equal to false. False will be converted as a false and written as a false, printed as a false. Other than true and false, I am passing, say, A. Accepted or not accepted? Not accepted. You will get exception. What exception? Are you formatting number? Are you formatting this string to the number type or Boolean type? Boolean type. Here you are formatting to number. That's why number format. Here I formatting to Boolean. And then Boolean format exception. Wrong answer. You will get false. Okay. Boolean is a special class. If you try to pass a string object other than true or false, anything else, it doesn't throw exception. It just written what? False. Suppose I am giving BO4 equal to TRUE capital letters. Capital letter true there in Java? No. Then what happened? You will get true only. If the characters is TRUE, either uppercase or lowercase, no problem. It will take it as true. Okay. Either all characters lowercase true, all characters capital case, or mixed. So simple. What you have to understand here? If the passed string object contain the characters TRUE in any case, it's considered as a true. Other than true characters, if you pass anything else, either false you pass or normal text you pass or some number you pass, it is considered as what? False. So these are the points already there in the material. Hope you have seen. If not seen, today you check. Now let's try to understand the next conversion. Converting primitive value to string. Now tell me, to convert primitive value to string. Okay, first let me understand this one. Converting wrapper class object to string. Tell me, any object you want to convert it as a string. Hope you remember, we have what method? ToString. ToString method of which class? Object class. Object class ToString method is overridden in all wrapper classes. Integer IO1 equals to new integer of 10 or 50, anything. Now if I write system.out.println IO1, tell me, here internally IO1, what is called? ToString method. It implicitly calls IO1 dot ToString. Now the value of this integer object 10 is converted as a string and that message will be returned to display 10. Okay. Now I don't want to print, I want to convert. Can I write like this? String S1 equals to 10 directly. Can I write 10 directly? No. Compiler throw error. Can I write S1 equal to double quotes 10? Yes. Okay. Can I write here double quotes empty string plus 10? Yes. Okay. S2 equal to. This all what? Converting. This is converting wrapper class object to string object. Here what you did? You have this wrapper class object converting string s1 equal to io1. Can I directly write? No. Compiler throw error. S1 equal to io1 dot to string. So converted the string of integer object to string. That means what the result coming out? Double quote string. S1 contains what? Double quotes 10. Okay, if you print also background, what is called io1 dot to string. Now I wanted to convert primitive value to string object. Further, can I write string directly s2 equal to 10? No. Can I write s2 equal to double quotes 10? Yes. S3 equal to double quotes 10 plus double quotes plus 10. Also another approach is there. String s4 equal to, in all wrapper classes, integer class dot, we will have a method called toString. But this toString is a static method. This is toString method is non-static method. Here we use wrapper class object as an argument. Here we use a primitive value as a argument. Here current object, here argument. You cannot call primitive, you cannot call methods by using primitive data type. So you have to pass it only as an argument. So this toString method, this toString method are both the same? No. This is object class toString method. It is wrapper class own toString method. It is a no parameter. It is a parameter. It is a non-static. It is a static. It takes the wrapper class as a current object. It takes primitive value as a argument object. So these are the four ways we can convert. These are three ways we can convert primitive value as a string. So this is the total points about how to convert primitive value by using wrapper class name dot to string of primitive value. Okay, so totally we have 6 conversions. To perform these 6 conversions, these are the methods we have in the wrapper classes, and these are the examples. First conversion, second conversion, third conversion, fourth conversion, fifth and sixth conversions. All these points are there in your material. Hope you already yesterday have you, I think you have checked. If not checked, please today check one more time. All points in detail with interview questions, detailed notes I give. Now, there is an important point you need to understand here. Please observe. Test 07, main method. I have written int I1 equal to 10 or 10 or 20 or 50, whatever. Okay. I'm writing here long L1 equal to I1. Is it possible? Can I assign int type variable to long type variable? Yes, allowed. Why allowed? Int is lesser range. Int is lesser range data type than long. So allowed. Now what I am writing? Integer IO1 equal to new integer of I am passing 50. Allowed? Yes. Then I am trying to assign long LO1 equals to IO1. Allowed or not? IO1 equal to new integer of 50, LO1 equal to IO1. Allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Very important. Primitive data types are compatible to each other. But their wrapper classes are not compatible. When classes will be compatible? When classes have inheritance relation, then only they are compatible. Okay, all wrapper classes are siblings to each other. Remember our relation? All wrapper classes are siblings to each other. Next, byte, short, integer, long, float, double are subclasses of number, character, boolean are subclasses of object. So if we assign one wrapper class object to another wrapper class type referenced variable, we will get compile time method. So what is the important point? Primitive data types are compatible to each other, but their wrapper classes are not compatible. Can I write like this? Number n1 equals to io1? Yes. Can I write this? Object obj equal to io1? Yes. Because i1 and n number and object are super classes. So primitive data types are compatible to each other, but their wrapper classes are not compatible. It means because all wrapper classes are siblings to each other. Okay, classes are compatible only when they have inheritance relation. So if you assign one wrapper class object to another wrapper class type reference, where we will get compile time. Okay, with this knowledge, try to show your talent. Is it allowed or not? Think and tell me. Again, I'm writing main method. Integer io1 equal to new integer of 50. Integer io2 equal to new integer of again 50. I have created two variables of what type? Integer with a integer object. Can I compare two objects of a class? Yes. How? By using double equal to operator. Here what happened? Memory diagram is very important. io1 variable is created. Wrapper class object is created with reference 1010 with a variable value, with a value 50. Now 1010 stored here pointing to. Next, integer io2. io2 variable is created. Wrapper class object is created with reference 2020. Value variable is created with what value? 50. Now 2020 is stored pointing to. Okay, now? Now tell me, if I use a double equal to operator, it is assignment or it is a comparison? It is a comparison, not assignment. Then when it is a comparison, what it compares? Here two things are there. Number one, reference comparison or data comparison. What it compares? Double equal to operator compares data or compares reference. What you have written here? io1, io2, right? Did you write here a dot? When there is no dot, how it can take the data? If you want to dot, if you want to go into object, I have to write dot now. When dot is not there, how it can compare the data? Not possible. What is there inside io1? 1010. What is there in io2? 1010. Then double equal to operator compares what? Reference of the object. Tell me, are both objects reference same or different? Different. Then we'll get false. So double equal to operator compares two objects by using their reference. When you create first object with a new keyword, second object with another new keyword, both two objects, a new keyword creates what? New object, their reference will be different. Now I have to call one more method here, io1 dot equals of io2. Tell me, equals method is also meant for comparing on. Then it compares what? Reference of the objects are data of the objects with the logic available in the equals method. Two options I gave, again repeating. Equals method compares two objects by using reference, data, or the logic available in the equals method. Is equals method operator? What is this? What is this equals? Did you heard this equals? In which chapter? You already come across this equals. In which chapter? In object class, I told you there are 11 methods. Hash code method, equals method, get class method, toString method. Okay, equals is a method. It is available originally which class? Object class. In object class, equals method has a logic? Yes. But you call equals method by using object class or by using integer? Integer. Then equals method, compiler software searching for equals method first in integer class. If not available, it will go to object class. Equals method has two implementations. It is a polymorphic method. It has two implementations. Number one, reference comparison. Reference comparison. Number two, data comparison. Double equal to operator, always compare two objects by using reference, because operator has only one logic. But equals method, Java methods comes under overriding concept. It may have multiple implementation. One in superclass, another is in subclass. If equals method is not overridden, it is executed from object class and it compares the objects by using reference. If equals method is overridden in subclass, okay, overridden in subclass, it is compares the objects by using data. Now let us see now. If reference is compared, equals method also if compare reference, then what will get, true or false? False, because reference is different. If data is compared, you will get a true or false. What the data? 50-50. What the data? 50-50. So you'll get what? True. Check once, what output coming? True. That means it's comparing reference or data na? Data. Because it's automatically data comparison because of implementation. Answer my question. Equals method compares two objects by using reference or by using data or based on the implementation logic. Based on the implementation logic. If equals method is overridden in current object class, it compares two objects by using data. If equals method is not overridden in current object class, it compares two objects by using reference. Everyone understand? So equals method compares with data with equals method compare two objects with data or with reference. It is not in the hands of equals method. It is in the hands of the current object class developer. If current class object developer not overrides equals method, it compares the two objects by using reference. If overridden, compare two objects by using data. Everyone understand? Now the question I'm asking, I'm taking double object DO1 equals to new double of 50.5 I have written. Now tell me system.out.println IO1 double equal to DO1 I compared. And tell me, is it returns true or false? False? Why false? Reference is different. Okay, tell me, a person is beautiful. I mean, a person is handsome or beautiful. Animal is beautiful. Who is more beautiful? Person is more beautiful. Animal more beautiful. Come on, animal run faster, fan run faster. Fan run fast. Why not comparable? They are different type. When I compare two people, you can say. When you compare two animals, you can say. If you compare two fans, you can say. If you compare two different incompatible objects, how can I say? Tell me, you are height, snake is height. How can I compare, Ravi? Not possible. So, wrapper class objects are compatible or not compatible? If you try to compare, compiler look at your face and ask, minimum common sense also you don't have. How can I compare integer with double? They are incompatible. Compiler throws error. What type of objects you can compare? Only compatible objects. Understood? Can I compare different wrapper class objects by using double equal to operator? No. Can I compare two objects of same class by using double equal to operator? Yes. One class, two objects possible. Two objects of different class, not possible. If I call IO1 dot equals of DO1, allowed? Allowed. It is not an operator. It is what? Equals method. What compiler verify? Syntax. Can I call equals method by using IO1? Yes. Because in IO1 class equals method available. Can I pass a DO1? Yes. Because equals method parameter is object. But logic of equals method can compare IO1 with DO1? No. There is no compile time error, but there is a chance to get runtime error, or you may get what? False. Let's see what you will get. What are you getting? False. So what equals method telling? Hello, these two objects type is different. So returns what? False. So equals method. Can we compare incompatible objects by using double equal to operator? No. Can I compare incompatible objects by using equals method? Yes, but it returns false. See, Eclipse is clearly warning, right? Not possible. Look at it. Already marking is there. Can I hope everyone understand? Tell me, is it possible to compare two different primitive types? Int I1 equal to 10, double D1 equal to 10.5, system dot out at println, I1 double equal to D1. Possible? Yes, because they are compatible type. Primitive data types are compatible. You got false. Why false? Because 10, 10.5, different value. Can I use equals method for comparing? Can I use equals for comparing primitive types? No. You cannot call. We cannot call methods by using primitive variable. Compiler will throw error. So these are the points about comparing wrapper classes. Can I expect everyone understand? These points material. Why sometimes why is it breaking? These points also available in material. Next pages. Check once. Okay. With this we completed wrapper classes chapter. Adhan Raja. With this we completed wrapper classes chapter. Then what else? Wrapper classes contain Java 5 new feature, that is auto boxing, auto unboxing. Have you heard the word unboxing? Where? In YouTube. That mobile unboxing, this TV unboxing, that is unboxing, this is unboxing. Okay. What is the meaning of unboxing? Inside box, some item is there, you are taking it out. That is called what? Unboxing. What is the meaning of boxing? Placing the thing inside the box is called what? Unboxing. We have an item called what? File. This file I am storing inside wrapper class object. Then what is this is called? Boxing. Not kickboxing, okay? Now I am taking this file out from the wrapper class object is called what? Unboxing. Chapan, already you know, don't know? You don't know. Just now completed. Now tell me how to do boxing. Tell me code here. Integer IO1 equals to new integer of 5. That's all. Boxing done. What is unboxing? Int I1 equal to IO1 dot int value. IO1 dot int value. This is unbox. This is boxing. This is unbox. Converting primitive value to wrapper class object by developer. Converting wrapper class object to primitive value by developer. Every చెప్పండి auto boxing అంటే auto, not three wheelers, auto. Well, auto means automatic. Converting primitive value to wrapper class object by compiler. Integer IO1 equals to 10. 5. Integer IO2 equal to 5. Are you using constructor to create object? No. This is statement. This statement from Java 5 onwards. We no need to create wrapper class object explicitly. From Java 5 version onwards, we can just assign primitive value to wrapper class type referenced variable as shown below. Then here Java 5 onwards, we will assign the primitive value to the wrapper class variable directly. Then this line is background converted by compiler as integer IO2 equals to bola integer dot value of it will not use new keyword and constructor for creating object. It uses what? Value of factory method. It uses factory method for creating wrapper class object. Why factory method, sir? I will tell you. Wait a minute, sir. So this is what developer written code. This is developer written code. What is this? Compiler generated code. So this statement is converted like this. Primitive value will not be there as it is as a primitive value. It is converted as what? Integer dot value. Tell me, if this line is directly given to JVM, can JVM store 50 in the IO2 variable? No. Then compiler convert that 50 as what? Wrapper class object and store its reference in IO2. Now, so tell me, what the meaning of this statement? The statement meaning is same as previous statement. IO2 object internally contains what? 50. Reference is 1010 stored in IO2 point. Everyone understand that? So this statement is same as previous, but what happened? It becomes short. Code is short, code is less. That's it. Just for less coding purpose, they have introduced this auto boxing, auto unbox. Tell me, what is the meaning of auto unboxing? Same story. Copy, paste. Auto unbox. Converting wrapper class object to primitive value by compiler is called auto unbox. From Java 5 version onwards, we no need to create a caller. We no need to call xxx value method on wrapper class object explicitly. From Java 5 version onwards, we can just assign what? Wrapper class object to primitive type variable as shown below. Then compiler, what it will do? Compiler invokes what method? Xxx value method automatically based on the assigned wrapper class object type. Based on the assigned wrapper class object type as shown below. Look at here. I have written int I2 equal to IO2. Is it allowed or not? From which version onwards? Java 5. This is developer written code. Tell me, what is the compiler adding code? Compiler generated code int I2 equal to, if you just leave I2 as it is, JVM will throw error. IO2 reference cannot be stored in int. What should be stored? IO2 internal value. How can I bring IO2 internal value? It implicitly called IO2 dot int value. Understand? Tell me, as a modern developers, you should write these two statements in the project. Then, but you should know, oh, background 50 converted as integer dot value, background converted IO2 as IO2 dot int value. Ante. So if Indra asks a question, do you know auto unboxing? Yes, I know. Tell me now. Here I am writing one method. Are this allowed or not? Static void m1 off. I am taking parameter integer IO1. In previous versions, Java 1.4 version, Java 1.4 style version, Java 1.4 style. If you want to call this method, you must pass 50 as what? Integer object. Then tell me, if you want to call this method 10 times I repeated new integer. It's a clumsy process or not? Either you write, I write, everyone should write new integer only. When the syntax is fixed, who has to write? Compiler has to write. So compiler took the decision. Hello, Mr. Hari Krishna. मैं तुमको एक सिंपल टेक्निक इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहा हूं, इसको यूज करो. जावा 5 से लिखना पड़ता नहीं है, उसको हटा दो. तुम क्या वैल्यू भेजना चाहता हूं, वो वैल्यू भेजो. 50-50. Problem solved, no error. Which one you follow from Java 5? Old style or new style? Which one is easy to read? New style. But is it really 50? No, it is background. This is developer written code. Compiler generated code. What is the compiler generated code? This method converted as integer dot value of 50. Okay, background, compiler will write. For each statement, compiler will write. We don't care what is there in the dot class file for JVM. We will care only what is there in Java file for developer to read. That's it. So can I expect everyone understand? This is auto boxing and auto unboxing. So with the help of auto boxing, auto unboxing, from Java 5 version onwards, I can directly assign primitive value to wrapper class variable, wrapper class object to primitive variable. Tell me, from Java 5 version onwards, can I do mathematical calculation directly like this? Integer IO1 equal to 50. Integer IO2 equal to 60.